Hello and welcome back to the New Year's edition of BLOWUP Prevention Project. My name is Ania Grimone and I'm your host. And I want to start this episode with wishing you an amazing 2020. I wish for you the success, the health, love, connection, adventure, learning, whatever it is that you want to create for yourself in your life. Because if you're like most people, you use the beginning of the year as an opportunity to reflect, to see where you came from, and to see where you would like to go in the future. And at that point, we often create New Year's resolutions. We decide we want to start something new that we know is really good for us, and we put it off, or we didn't have time for it, we got distracted, so this year, right now, we're going to start. Did you know that about 75% of people who make resolutions are done with them by the end of the 30 days? And only about 7 to 8% of people make it. Why is that? Some of the most common New Year's resolutions are, I'm going to lose weight and get fit. I'm going to start eating better. I'm going to save money and get out of debt. I'm going to see my friends more often. So those are all amazing things. So why don't we follow through? I have a theory. And it's that our resolutions are always focused on some kind of action that we need to do. Something to add to our already busy calendars to get us whatever we want. But we don't focus on what we want. We focus on the action. I want to exercise as much as I want to eat nails. But what I do want is what the exercise gives me. Who am I becoming when I exercise? I am strong. I'm confident, I'm vibrant, I have energy, I have enough stamina to run after my kids. I show up in a confident way at work and have more courage to step into situations that would typically make me shrink away because I feel powerful when I exercise. So if exercise is about stamina, it's about self-confidence, it's about energy levels, then what is it that I can do to cultivate those things that don't necessarily have anything to do with exercise when I don't have time or energy to exercise? If health and vitality is a thing, then what can I do if I can't exercise? Can I go to bed sooner? Can I make myself a smoothie? Can I meditate? Can I do yoga? Can I reach out to a friend? Because connection is shown to improve our energy levels and our health and vitality. So if you look at your resolutions from that perspective, that it's not about the particular action, but it's about the deeper why. Why is it that you're trying to do this? What's important to you about it? What will you have when you're successful at doing this action? And how can you meet that criteria in as many possible ways, as many ways as your creativity allows? When you focus on the deeper meaning, when you focus on the deeper why, on what is your end game, what is it that you're after, all of a sudden you're not tied to one way of doing it. And this resolution, this one action that you feel like you boxed yourself into, it's no longer the thing that you have to exercise willpower to follow through on. Because willpower is like a gas in a tank. Once you spend it, it's done, it's gone. But if you connect to the juicy reason why you want to do something and all the multiple different ways of getting there, all of a sudden, a whole different ways of bringing into this new year what you really, really want presents itself to you. So this is my invitation for you. Go back to your resolutions. Look at them deeper, figuring out why. What is it that you're going to get out of this? What is it that you're after? And find many ways as you can to cultivate, to support, to nourish, and to bring that into life. When you do that, I guarantee that December 31st, 2020, you'll be able to look back and say, this time I did it. So let me know what's the impact of that. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help you. Subscribe, share, and tune in for the next episode of BLOWUP Prevention Project, and let's all have amazing 2020. Enjoy.